Suck my dick. No, not really my thing, man.
Yeah, g'day.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
How are you?
I'm alright, how are you?
Just fine. Do you remember me?
I don't think I've met you, mate.
This is Fred.
Very nice voice.
Wow. I've been a bell bindsman for 46 years and a cop before that for 4 or 5 years. And so, I mean, I think I've seen it all. Huh? You heard me? You're really going to have to speak up.
Have you left the loony bin? Who the fuck are you?
Oh. I'm wondering what you're doing.
Fucking jerking off in the fucking bathroom. What the fuck you think I'm doing?
Wow. Why are you so mad at me?
Who the fuck are you, mate?
Why are you acting like this? My name's Fred Herbert.
Fred Herbert?
Yeah.
Who the fuck are you?
I'm a bell bindsman. I'm 72. I don't know how old you are.
What do you mean?
Yeah. I've been a bell bindsman for 46 years.
Look, mate,
That's what it is.
Fuck.
Where do you work, sir?
You want a dick up ya?
Huh?
You want a dick up ya?
Do you want to suck my dick?
Yeah, I do want to suck your fucking dick.
Wow. Thank you. Is that right? Is that something
What?
you want to do?
Eh?
Yeah. I would like to put my white dick into your
What
brown
the fuck
ass.
are you, mate? Sorry?
Right
What
in
the
the
fuck
butt.
are you, mate?
This is Fred.
Hit it, mate. I fucking hit it. Calling me at fucking 3 in the morning.
Oh, fuck you. I'm going to wring your fucking neck.
I'll fuck you up, cunt.
Do you want to hurt me?
Who the fuck are you, mate? I'm going to fucking destroy you.
My name's Fred Herbert.
Connell is king! Connell is king! Connell is king!
Connell is king. We just got pranked, guys. By apparently Resistor Radio. Maybe. Who is Elijah Connell? Is it Veg Fiend? It's Resistor Radio, is it? It is Resistor Radio. That's pretty cool, man. That's pretty sick. Alright, the mystery is deepening right now. Anyway, we have the Berkeley Police sex crimes, LAPD narcotics.
Electric wheelchair to carry my load. Electric wheelchair toast. Electric wheelchair toast. Electric wheelchair toast. Electric wheelchair toast. It's amazing how much I gain from walking on the snakes by the side of the beautiful lakes. I'm surprised at your face. Why the down face when we've made no mistakes? I'm surprised at the lace on you. Electric wheelchair toast. Never give up the ghost. Electric wheelchair toast. Smart toast in the morning. Electric wheelchair toast. Electric wheelchair glory. Electric wheelchair toast. Oh no, please never give up that ghost. Electric wheelchair toast. The hills are here, they are the most beautiful. Beautiful.